My name is Nathan Jacob. I'm the Sales Director for the UK, Ireland, and the rest of the world for Hype Innovation. I think 5 years from now, the future of innovation is probably powered by some form of AI, right? I think we've seen in a lot of the kind of talks over the last few days around how generative AI and AI is completely disrupting the way that organizations manage innovation. And I think it will play much more of a pivotal role in how businesses manage both internal, external signals and manage those ideas from kind of ideation all the way through to kind of commercialization and implementation as well. Innovation newbies, I think the best bit of advice I would give is don't be afraid to fail. I think, failing fast, failing cheap is one of the key things to having a kind of a long-term success in innovation. So advice to an innovation newbie would be fail fast, fail cheap. So I think my favorite part around the program was, having the opportunity to connect with and meet a whole host of clients that I'd not been able to work with before, right? So coming from the UK, coming from the kind of Planbox side of the merger, well, not as of yet, had the chance to actually connect with a lot of the Hype clients and Hype team. So to be able to spend a few days getting to know everyone, learning more about the deployments that we work with across the region and, the Hype team has been really interesting and fun. So I think my favorite workshop was the workshop hosted by Dr. Owana and Jessica around the innovation graph, talking a little bit about some of the new capabilities that we're bringing out, leveraging AI and machine learning to really give a holistic overview of your entire innovation portfolio. Yeah, so the workshops were super informative, lots of great information that, I'm sure will help many organizations to take the most out of their program. So yeah, I learned a lot being in innovation for 6 years, 7 years, really interesting to see kind of what other organizations are doing in this space. And, thank you so much to Hype for everything that they've done. It's been an amazing experience and I'm looking forward to coming back next year.